So I'm going to quickly do a house tour of the place that we were staying at. But keep in mind, we were here already. So like we've been here, this is day 6 we're checking out. So just keep that in mind. There's no like pretty towels or anything like that. This is where we stayed. This is in Windsor Hills. When you first come through the door, we got a nice little table here, which is where we've been leaving like our masks and stuff. And then the first room on the right is a bedroom. You have a TV, your dresser, garbage can. It looks out to the parking area. A nice closet with extra blankets and pillows and plenty of hangers. And then, hi, we have a bathroom. Where's the, I didn't use this bathroom. Single sink, all you need. And then the tub, actually it's not a tub, it is just the shower. And then come around here. So this is like the shared like living space bathroom. So you have the bedroom, we're in the bathroom, and then coming out back into the kitchen area. Dishwasher, all of your amenities, your plates, bowls, cups, silverware, things like that. They didn't have an ice maker, but they do have the trays. This is deceiving. It was not an ice maker. And obviously just your standard fridge. The only thing that we didn't have that we could have used was pizza pans, but pizza pans in Florida like aren't a thing. They just stick their pizza on top of the grates. So that's what we did. And then I was complaining that they didn't have a pizza cutter just for my dad and Angel to find a pizza cutter. Oh well, it was there. And you have like your spatulas, all the stuff, pretty much everything that you need. There were like the casserole dishes, all of that in there. So that was awesome. Then you have the dining area, and there was also, let me back up here and show you guys this. There's a high chair. It came to us folded. I couldn't figure out how to refold it, so I just threw it back in there. So you have your dining area, your seating area, and these, this couch pulls out. I'm not sure. I don't think this one does. Oh, it does. So you have even more seating here, more sleeping areas here. Your TV, which has cables, so that was pretty nice. And then this was awesome too. However, it was a little too cold for me, so just Angel and Lily got in there, and I did not get any video. It's small, but it goes to, it says on here, 5 feet. So it's pretty deep. And then there's a gas grill back there. We did not use it, so I'm not sure if they keep up with the gas or the propane. I'm going to assume not, but you never know. But yeah, so this is there. And then this was already in here. Probably someone left that over from their stay. And again, the kitchen and the living room. Oh yeah, these that's our little snack box that we've got to take home with us. Almost forgot that. I'm gonna shut this light off. And go up the stairs. You have your full-size washer and dryer, which was nice because we used it like 4 times. Then all of your towels, and then they have, I'm not sure if they wanted these specifically used for the beach or the pool area. That is what we took to the pool area. They look like pool towels, I assume. So this was your linen closet. And this is the kids' room, which my kids enjoyed. They have Mickey. These were the stuffed animals that were here already, which was a trip because we have this Minnie Mouse, but we have, and we brought it with us, but she's just slightly smaller. So yeah, trying to keep those two apart and making sure that we had the right one was interesting. They have like all the little painting on the wall, the TV with the dresser. And then the kids had their own bathroom, which was really nice. Hi. Single sink and your toilet. It's themed to Dory, which is really cool. I like these decorations on the wall. Then they have their own hairdryer. Oh, the bathroom downstairs also had its own hairdryer, which was nice. Then you just have like a big soaker tub. This is a pretty nice shower. It was better than one of the hotels that we stayed at in Jacksonville. And then, let me shut this light off. Over here, you have your closet, which has also extra blankets and pillows if needed. There's a oscillating fan, plenty of hangers, ironing board. Although I didn't see an iron. I mean, we never needed one, but I did not see one. And then they had two really awesome, oh wait, gotta show it over here. They had two really awesome night lights. Let me shut the door so you can see. So that one's kind of like a wave theme. And this one, let me move it. Batman. Sophia really enjoyed that. She thought it was cute. And then back out here, washer dryer. Here's your thermostat, which was really nice because if you got too hot or cold in the middle of the night, we didn't have to go far. And here is the master bedroom. Two end tables and a very large bathroom. Again, one sink. That's all right. It's all we needed to brush our teeth. You see how sunburned I am? I'm so red. Then we also have another like soaking tub. So very nice, very clean. There's the toilet. There's so many switches. But here was our TV, our dresser, and our closet, which also came with a pack and play and a couple of hampers, which came in very handy. The pack and play we did have to use for Lily, so that was awesome. I was hoping Lily would sleep in a bed, but she just was not having it. That's our view. Nothing fancy. We're right above, I don't want to mess with those too much but we're right above the pool. So the master bedroom is in the back of the house, I guess. But yeah, so this is where we stayed. It was very comfortable, very clean. I did find a couple of cockroaches, but it's Florida. It's to be expected. I'm not surprised because it was only a couple. They're very clearly using some sort of like extermination or whatever. So I'm not upset about that. But I know for some people who have never dealt with roaches, they freak out a little bit, even though we lived here for a few years. Sophie was born here. We haven't lived here for a while. So I like let out a little squeal. But it's okay. I just, you know, I know that that's to be expected. You're going to have roaches in Florida. They're going to get inside of a home. That's just kind of the way it is. But at least they are doing their best to make sure that they stay out of here. There was only 1 or 2, which is great because I have seen some roach infested homes. But this place was awesome. We really enjoyed it. The kids loved it. It was comfortable. The neighborhood was safe. It is a resort area, so obviously there's tons of townhomes. We did have to provide kind of like a background check, I guess. We had to provide our government issued ID, and we had to go through a check-in process that included our license plates. And then when you come and go from the resort area, they do give you like a paper that you have to scan in and out. So that's what we had to do. Coming and going when the parks are opening or the parks are closing, kind of a pain in the butt. But it really wasn't that bad. I mean, it went fairly smooth. There was just a lot of people, so you did have to wait in a short line. But overall, it was a great place. We will definitely stay here again if we can. I'm not disappointed. So I just, yeah, we enjoyed it. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. We're going to hit up a couple places before we leave because unfortunately we do drive back to Indiana today, which really stinks. Also, this is probably going to go out in several weeks because I am way behind. There's a gas shortage in Georgia right now. So this will be interesting because, again, we're driving. And I have an Edge, and it's kind of an older Edge. And if anybody knows anything about Edges, they don't get very good gas mileage, in my opinion. So this will be interesting. So we're going to pray the whole ride home that we can, because I've heard Georgia, Tennessee, and Kentucky, which are the 3 states that of course we have to go through, are 50% out of gas. So yeah, no fun. But we're gonna make it work. Hopefully God will get us through this because we're gonna need it. What, you guys?
We don't have to wear a mask outside, but we do. But what stinks, but we have to wear one in the building.
But no mask outside.
Yeah.
That is awesome. No mask. Hey.
Yeah, but this is our last day here.
Yeah, but that's okay.
We should have waited a week.
We really should have, because when we went to Hollywood Studios, talk about sweating our faces off.
Yeah.
So I am so happy.
And also, it was pretty much raining.
Yeah, rain, mask, no fun.
Yeah, my feet were soaked.
No more masks outdoors. So exciting.
My feet were
getting back to normal. Awesome. We're trying to race it to get in the virtual queue for Gideon's. So that's where we're going. So Sophia got a grilled cheese. We're at Earl's sandwich. Go ahead and open it up, Sophie. Oh, look at all that cheese. That is cheesy. Give it a try, Soph. It's not too hot, right?
No, not too hot.
Okay.
Hello.
Well,
That's good. And then I got the ham and Swiss. Angel got the tuna melt. Pop it open. Ooh, that looks delicious.
And Lily got the same thing.
And then, yeah, Lily also got a grilled cheese. Ooh, smell that tuna. It smells good though. How is it, Lily? Is it yummy? Yeah, yummy. You gonna try the other side now? Oh, you wanted to break it apart? Then we just got chips and drinks. Here's my ham and Swiss.
Whoa, I smell it.
Looks delicious.
It smells like fish.
How's it, babe?
Good.
Well, Florida, it's been fun. This is the worst part of every trip, is leaving and going home. But going home. Time to drive. 16 and a half hours. Gas shortage throughout Georgia, Tennessee, and Kentucky. So this will be lots of fun.
And now I'm downloading an app so we can find gas to get home.
Yeah, I just asked him to download Gas Buddy.
Don't give away the secret.
That's what I've been hearing to download, to use. I guess they have the most accurate information as to who has gas. So as you can see, I got a little crispy, but
Little.
just a little bit. So We just got gas and threw away our old garbage and junk and gonna head on home now. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.